Everyone, welcome once again. This is Prince. I hope you are doing well. So today, let us continue our previous discussion on writing playwright test cases. In the previous video, we talked about creating our first test case using test method which accept two arguments. And today we are going to use this particular test method which accept three arguments. The additional parameter is details, and in this detail section either we can provide tags or annotations. Tags is useful when we want to group the test cases, as like in Cucumber we have tags concept. Similar thing we can use here as well. It can be used for grouping of test cases, and similarly during running we can run the test cases using the tag. Similarly, annotations are used to provide additional detail. Suppose we want to link one test case with some bug or Jira ID. In that case, we are going to use annotation, right? So without further delay, let us jump on to the discussion. So I'm going to use this particular same test case, and only thing is I'm going to add the second argument, right? So let us quickly recap about this particular test case from the website, right? So what we did is we launched the application, we clicked on checkboxes, and then after we unchecked this particular checkbox and we validated the same using the expect library, right? Or expect function, right? Now let me explain from the framework. So this is the test directory where we wrote internet.spec.ts, then we imported test and expect. Test is for the test case and expect is for the assertion. So this is how we wrote our first test case, which accept two argument. First argument was the name of the test case, and second argument was a function, right, of type async. And inside that we are launching the application using page.goto. Then we are locating checkboxes. Then we are performing click. Then we located this checkboxes list, and using nth of 1 we located second element and we performed uncheck, and at last using expect function what we did is we verified whether this particular checkbox is unchecked or not, right? So now let us create our second test case using three argument, right? So here what we are going to do, in order to provide three argument we'll have to add additional comma, right? And then we need to provide curly brace. So first thing, let us discuss about the tag, right? And let us say we want to provide smoke to this particular test case, right? And make sure the test case name should be different. Okay, so previous test case was first test case. Let us give this test case name second test case. Okay, so this is how we can tag the test case, right? Now let us try to execute this particular test case using the same command. Okay, so if you would notice, it is executing both the test cases using two separate workers. So let us wait for this to complete, then I'll show you the report. So this is how we can see the report. npx playwright show report. And if you would notice that the first test case has default tag chromium, right, which is coming from the playwright, and this particular test case has tag smoke, which is coming because of the tag that we have used. So suppose we have executed 100 of test cases, and out of them we want to filter out smoke. So we can simply click on smoke and we will be able to see all smoke test cases, right? Also, we can run test cases using this particular tag that we'll be discussing when we'll be talking about running playwright test cases using the different way, right? So this is one way. Second way is what we can do is we can use annotation, right, instead of tags. So for that purpose, I'm simply going to remove this tag section, and this time I'm going to use annotation. And after annotation, we need to again provide this particular curly braces. And first of all, we need to provide type. Let us say this is issue or bug, whatever we want to provide, and description. And let us say we want to provide the description. Let us say a Jira ID, Jira 123, right? So this is how we can do it, and let us give it name third test case. Otherwise, we will get duplicacy warning, right? So you see, the issue is no more appearing here, right? So now let us rerun the test case and see the difference between all three test cases. So to see the report, now let me run npx playwright show report. Okay, so if you would notice, first test case does not have any tag, only the default tag. Second test case has chromium and smoke. And if I go to third test case, here we can see annotation, and here we can see that we have annotated this particular test case with Jira ID 123. So this is how we can create test case using different ways. And this is what I wanted to cover as part of current video. Thank you for watching. I would request you to please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you once again.